If you like the video, make sure to subscribe and like. um, excuse me, mister? Are you sure this is the right way? You know we've been walking for 40 minutes straight, right, mister? Who goes this far for lunch? Would you mind at least telling me what we're gonna eat at this restaurant, mister? Sorry, what? Jean? I don't think I heard you, mister. Well, you aren't planning on feeding me anything weird, right, mister? It would be uncourteous to take a girl out for something disgusting. I heard some story of a creep tricking some other person into trying out a delicacy. Later, it turned out they were eating human meat. Scary, isn't it, mister? It happens all the time in the Backstreets. Who knows? Maybe you'll do it to me. Let me guess. It's a perfectly ordinary restaurant serving ordinary good food with ordinary ingredients, right? Well, I suppose that is the first time that you're asking me out to eat, so I suppose it's going to be somewhere extraordinary, right? A groggery? Dong Juan's pub? Is this really it? You really brought me here? What, to get drunk so you could take advantage of me? Is this a cook your own meal place? If that's so, I'm leaving. I didn't walk 40 minutes through a oh so cold back streets just to be my own chef. You really know your stuff, huh, mister? Who even picks this kind of place for a first date? Your standards are awfully low. Oh, was it my mistake? I mean, think about it. I'm the one who's always usually suggesting we hang out, and every single time you bring our coworkers along. You see it, right? We've never really been alone together outside of a few mixer missions. But still, you can definitely see why I'm not really saying it's a bad thing. But it is something. Can't you take a hint? People don't usually strut a whole hour through the cold back streets just for lunch in some ramshackable pub. But then again, I don't really mind the frittering. I can see why you like it, mister. There's just something about wasting your time that's just so rewarding, isn't there? Hey, the food's ready. Are you just gonna stare at me? This looks appetizing, don't you think? I can't wait to. This is delicious. Exactly. Tastes absolutely amazing when you wash down the Pajan with this macagola. Usually you'd expect the cheap stuff to taste bad, but this is just too good. Can't get enough. Now this is real food, unlike that boring old ham pang pang sandwich you always get. probably being dumb, but this food's winning me over already. Mm. You know, you're like a completely different person when you talk about food. By the way, have you brought anyone else here for like a couple's meal before? You two are so close. If anything, I'm a bit jealous. You two are always going on missions together, always calling each other bro or dude, and constantly touching. And if I were dumb enough, I think you two were. Excuse me, the Makigoli here is stronger than I thought. You know, I'm starting to feel tipsy. I don't usually drink in the middle of the day either. But it seems charming to come here from time to time for lunch, no? So, there definitely should be a reason you even brought me here in the first place. What's gotten into you? I don't understand what got into you. Why are you bringing me here? I'm pretty sure I know what you want already, but I'm not guessing until it leaves your mouth, mister. We're running out of time. So hurry up and say something before we leave. I like you. How about you? Don't walk so fast. I might trip. Come on, grab my hand. Thanks for the meal and for being so honest with me today.